guys, Dan and Michael with GripEdge Tools back with you again. Michael, it's time for another launch.
It is, and today we are bringing you our all-new E-Torx. So let's get into some of the details about the set and what you can expect inside.
And guys, just like every other GripEdge product, this has our amazing RPT rounding prevention technology.
And just like our other RPT line of tools, you can put up to 50% more torque on a new or undamaged fastener with our E-Torx design, and up to 400% more torque on a rusted, stripped, or rounded fastener. So let's talk about the actual machining inside of the socket, inside of the E-Torx that actually gives us that RPT rounding prevention technology.
If you have a look down into the socket, you can see the interesting machine work we've got going on. A regular conventional E-Torx has a much more rounded lobe, which allows for cam out. This machine work gives us a much better engagement to the fastener. That design is going to allow you to take out fasteners with no damage whatsoever, even under high torque situations. But if you come across one somebody else has already damaged, it's absolutely your best fighting chance at getting it out. Let's have a look at the sizings in the 14-piece set. In the quarter drive sizes, we've got E4 through E8. In the 3/8 drive, we've got E10 through E20, and then E22 and E24 are half-inch drive. The E-Torx set comes on that aluminum rail that you've all come to love from the GripEdge team with the nice positive locking nubs.
So that wraps up the all-new RPT E-Torx from GripEdge Tools. If you want to learn more about this set, more product info, if there's a link below, you can go ahead and click on that, or you can check out the description where we'll have a link directly to our website, and you can shop now at gripedgetools.com.